Hello, this is Professor Yogesh Rajadhyaksha. I have been teaching engineering graphics, which was earlier known as engineering drawing, from last many years. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all for finishing your semester 1 successfully. For those who feel that in sem 1 they could not perform properly in exam, don't worry, you have semester 2 in your hand to have proper average CGPA of first year. I remember when I was in my first year, my professor told me that finishing your first year properly is 80% of engineering done, which I thought at that time is not rational, because mathematically finishing 1 year out of 4-year course is 25% done. But now, after experience of these many years and so many students, I make the same statement. Finishing your first year successfully is nearly 80% of engineering done, because it is the start of your professional course. अगर आपका सेम 1 सेम 2 का स्कोर अच्छा है तो आपको सेकंड थर्ड ईयर में कम दिक्कत आती है स्कोर करने में, बिकॉज यू नाउ नो हाउ टू स्कोर good CGPA in exams, which is very important for your future. If you are planning to go for masters, then they will look at your CGPA, your score, aggregate score. Many universities give you scholarships also based on your academic records. Even for placement, having good CGPA, having good score is very important to get entry. And after you get entry, obviously in any professional course, in any profession, then you have to perform, right? In SEM 2 and in SEM 1 also, but in SEM 2, you have to focus not only on getting good score, but also to learn the subjects properly. And you are responsible to learn. We can help you to give you best guidance. Vidyalankar is there since 1960, so they have proved their track record for so many years. We are there to help you, but you should decide that you want to learn properly. In SEM 2, there are 6 subjects, out of which we provide training and coaching for 3 major subjects. That is Mathematics 2, Computer Programming, and Engineering Graphics. Graphics is basically language of engineers. यहाँ पे you have to focus on 3 things. One is understanding the concept of the subject. Second, drawing it properly. And third, ये दोनों के साथ साथ you have to develop your proper imagination. ये 3 अगर चीज़ें आपके साथ है, understanding the subject, imagination, and then expression, that is drawing it properly, then you can score 10 pointer in drawing, in graphics. Your aim should be to score at least 9 pointer, at least 9 CGPA in SEM 2. If you can get good score in these 3 subjects, so then your aggregate score will be better, because each subject is given some weightage, and in that mathematics, graphics, these subjects have highest weightage. So all the best. See you in the upcoming batches of Vidyalankar. See you then. Bye bye.